All right, when we multiply decimals by 10 or 100, the process is really very simple. It's much like the process we did when we had a decimal in our divisor, when we did dividing, how we had to multiply it by 10 or 100 to move it to the end of the number. That's how easy it is to multiply by 10 or 100. You don't even really have to set the problem up. It's really more of just moving that decimal point a number of places to the right. So let's check it out. Let's see how easy this can be. If we've got 100 times 5 and 45 hundredths, to multiply something by 100 is to move it 2 places to the right. So our answer is simply 545. Easy peasy. Number 2, if we have 100 times 65 and 2/10, we move the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. What do I put in that empty hole? I put a 0, a placeholder. So my answer is 6,520. Multiplying by tens and hundreds is very easy. You know that any number multiplied by 10, you just add a 0. Well, if you've got a decimal here, that's basically what you're doing. You're adding a 0. You're moving it 1 decimal place to the right. So 10 times 27 and 6/10 becomes 276. This one, 10 times 35 and 2/10. Again, multiplying it by 10 means moving it 1 place to the right, and it becomes 352. 10 times 27 and 8/10. Move it 1 place to the right, becomes 278. 10 times 36 and 3/10. You guessed it. Move that decimal point 1 place to the right. It becomes 363. Let's do 2 more here together. 10 times 9 and 42 hundredths becomes, move it 1 place, becomes 94 and 2/10. And 100 times 0 and 595 tenths, hundredths, thousandths becomes 2 places to the right, and it becomes 59 and 5/10. All right, go ahead. We did quite a few on our together. Go ahead and try the rest on your own. No rewriting of problems needed, just moving of the decimal.